Installing software on a new Windows system sounds simple. Until you have to install 10, 20, or 30 applications one by one. And if your system reboots in between, you don't even remember what was installed and what wasn't. This is not a software problem. This is a system design problem. Welcome to my channel. Hi, my name is Sachin Niman. And today, I'm going to show you how I automated the entire Windows installation process using one script, a GUI dashboard, and 0 third-party tools. In most cases, people install applications manually. They double-click each installer, wait, click next, agree, finish. Again and again. This approach breaks easily. It breaks with reboots. It breaks with interruptions. And it completely breaks at scale. What we need is not faster clicking. What we need is control. Instead of thinking like a user, let's think like an IT deployment system. A good system should answer 3 questions. What needs to be installed? What is already done? And where should it resume from? That's exactly what this script does. This setup is very simple. All installers are placed in one folder. The script lives in the same folder. A log file remembers what was installed. The script automatically detects its own folder, finds all exe installers, installs them one by one, measures how long each install takes, logs the result, and skips anything already completed, even after a reboot. To make everything transparent, I added a GUI dashboard on top. Here, you can set the delay between installations, start the process with one click, and watch live logs as everything runs. This is not just automation. This is observability. Let's quickly understand how this works internally. First, the script detects its own location. This removes hard-coded paths and makes it portable. Next, it loads a log file. This log acts like memory. It tells the system what has already been installed. Then, it scans all exe files in the folder and sorts them in a predictable order. For each installer, the script makes a decision: install or skip. This decision logic is the heart of the system. Now let's see it in action. I'll start the installer dashboard. The script begins scanning the folder. You can see installers running one by one. Already installed applications are skipped automatically. Each installation is timed, logged, and followed by a short cooldown delay. This process can be stopped, resumed, or rerun without breaking anything. This is how professionals think about automation. Not just, does it work once? But, can it recover from failure? Can it resume? Can it explain what happened? Small scripts like this solve very real problems for developers, IT teams, and power users. Automation is not about writing more code. It's about removing uncertainty. When systems remember state, handle interruptions, and behave predictably, that's when automation becomes powerful. This is inside the system. If this helped you understand how real automation works, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the Tech and System Hacks playlist. In the next videos, we'll build more small systems that solve big everyday problems.